Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to exploring the new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 9, which I call 225 to 227. Let's build 225. Well, 225 is made out of 200 light peach block, 200 normal peach block, but I don't have it, so I use the light yellow blocks instead, and 5 light blue blocks. Well, 225 actually is a square, but I'm lazy to build the number block 225 as a square. But you know that she is a square because she's the 15th member of the prank club, which is 15 5 15, and she's the 15th member of the square club. Actually, she is a square, and I want to build her as a square, but today I'm so lazy, so that's why I don't build her as a square anymore. Well, alright, don't angry on me. Well, anyways, here's our number block 225. There. And let's attach the face sticker all together. So, first, we attach her square eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. In 225, did you notice that what is the shape of her eyebrows? That's it. The eyebrows are spiky, just like 25. That's because she split into 9 lots of 25s, or 25 lots of 9s. And she also can split into 15 lots of 15. And 225 lots pattern. And she is a perfect square. There, her eyebrows are so spiky, just like 25. Like this. And she has blue features. That's because to represent the 5 enders. Or we can also call she has 5 blue blocks in all 225. So tired of peeling the stickers off her eyebrows. But I think the mouth, it's very easy to peel it off. And she also has a blue mouth. And she has blue features just like number block 25. Here's our number block 225. And don't forget her number link. There. Here's our finished number block 225. Actually, she's the 15th member of the Square Club. Well, for the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 226. 226 has 200 peach blocks, 20 normal peach blocks, and 6 dark indigo blocks. Well, first we're going to build 200 blocks into 20 by 10 rectangle formation, and then we add 20 peach blocks more to make 220, and then we add 6 dark indigo blocks more to make 226. I put it at the corner. Right, it's like this. And then let's attach the face stickers. First, we put her eyes. And she has a crown. Do you know why? Because she splits into 2 lots of 113. And that's because 113 is a prime number, and the 113 is the 30th member of the prime club. That's why 113 has a crown, just like number block 30. But her crown is purple. This is to represent the 6 enders, or we can also call number block 226 has 6 indigo blocks in a whole 226. Well, we got eyes, eyebrows, and the eyebrows. Well, let's put, for the last, we put her mouth. Oh, there. Beautiful, right? But the blocks are going to falling apart. There, number link. Here's our number block 226, which is 2 lots of 113. Right. For the last character that we are going to build today is our number block 227. Number block 227 has 200 peach blocks, 20 normal peach blocks, and 7 rainbow blocks. We build like this, and then we attach the another 100 more to make 200, and then 10 more to make 220, because the first one also got the first 10 blocks. So 2 lots of 110s are 220s. Well, we need 7 blocks more to make there 227. Let's attach the face stickers. You see, 227 is the prime number because first, he is an odd number. Second, he cannot make any rectangles, so that's why he is a prime number. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I forget to put the eyebrows. I forget to cut the eyebrows. So sorry. Well, anyways, never mind. We put 227 with the violet features, just like this. Actually, 227 should have eyebrows, but I forget. This is my carelessness. So sorry. And then there's the mouth. So sorry that I forget to put the number blocks 207's eyebrows. But that's okay, because actually the number block 227 is the 49th member of the prank club. And number block 49 doesn't have eyebrows. So don't worry about it. But he has hair, because hair to represent the number block 49. He's the 49th member of the prank club. Actually, I should put eyebrow. But don't worry, never mind. Let's attach the numbering. Oh, I forgot to change the number. Whoa, my god, the number block 227 looks a bit clumsy. Alright, let's attach the number link. Here's our number block 227, which is the 49th member of the prank group. And there's all of the characters that we built. Which character do you like the most? 225, 226, or 227? Please leave the comments. So that's all of the characters that I built from 225 to 227. So make sure that if you want to see more videos, you should click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notification from my new videos. So stay tuned. Bye bye.